Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of missing DLL files on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now I'll explain the problem before coming to the solution. DLL files are basically system files or those associated with applications. So if these files are associated with a certain application, then you will have to reinstall that application. But if they are associated with the system, then our first approach would be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to download the Microsoft C++ redistributable package. Okay, so search for this in the Windows search bar and then go to this option here, the first one, the Microsoft latest supported downloads. Select Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2022. Scroll down and you'll find the x84 one. Click on that and then you can install this from this option here. Since it's already installed on my system, I'll select repair, but if it is not installed on your system, you'll have to click on the button to install it. The last solution is to reset Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery. Now click reset PC, select remove everything and then select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.